Everyone, and welcome back. If you aren't new, my name is thebubsbee, and today I just wanted to do my updated puff. I think I probably posted a puff tutorial once a year, but it's still the same steps, but the fro looks different every year depending on how old my hair is, how fresh it is. It just all depends. The puff can look different, and this is my puff results right here. Super big, voluminous. I'm loving how full and just in charge my fro looks. Before you guys ask, what's on my lips is MAC's Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Young Attitude. I love this vibrant blue. It's ultra matte, like the name states, and also it has like some shimmer throughout, like glitter. It's cute. It's cute, all right? For lashes, I have on Beats by Deb Cosmetics. I have on the style Shoddy, and this book is, I believe, this small lash kit bundle, I believe. On my eyes is very simple. I just have a bronzer in the crease and I just smoked out the lower lash line. I did not film a tutorial on this look because it's pretty simple. I use all my basic products. It's just, you know, we switched it up on the lips. Okay, we did something different. The blue is just popping out on this yellow, this mustardy yellow right now. I'm loving it. This is, of course, going to be a super quick video. I hope you all enjoy this one. Please give it a thumbs up and just keep on watching. So I'm starting on very old hair. I feel as though my puffs come out the best when there's a lot of product on it. Okay, I get the most volume, I get the most height. I'm now just brushing my hair backwards so I can get my puff in the position I want. I am going to take some oil. This oil is actually from Camille Rose, and this is the black castor oil and chebe repair strengthening oil. So I like to use something this thick and rich and nourishing when I am manipulating my hair for puffs, just because I find that it makes the perfect barrier for all the manipulation I'm going to be doing, such as brushing my hair and smoothing my hair up. So I applied some of that, and then I am going to wet the perimeter of my hair, all right, just a little bit, not too much. I don't want to drench my hair with water. That's why I'm using my Mr. Spray bottle, and I don't want to wet the inside of my hair. All right, I want to keep as much volume and height as possible. If I add a lot of water, my hair will shrink. And you guys know with puffs, there's a lot of smoothing and brushing. Now, using some of the edge control from the same collection, I actually really enjoy this, all right? I was so happy I purchased this collection because I really love this edge control. This is not gonna give me long-lasting stay and wear, but it will give me a flexible, movable hold, and it does lay my hair really well. My hair is smooth and shiny. Now, all right, the key to any puff is a good hair tie, and I love my snappies. I love my snap hair ties from Swirly Curly. I've been using these for years, guys, and they have not broken, they have not ripped, they don't snag my hair. I can easily connect a couple together to get a bigger, longer hair tie, which I am doing now. I connected 3, and that is perfect to get the puff size I want. So I'm using this to form my puff and get the shape I want, and I am applying some tension and holding each side of this hair tie super taut so I can make sure it's very tight for me. Not too tight. We don't want our head to hurt. We just want the puff to stay, okay? Now I'm just clasping it in the back. Now I am pushing up the sides and pushing up the hair tie in the back as well. I want my puff to sit up super high on top of my head. I prefer a high puff in the front. I like that the most. So that's what I'm doing, just shaping and forming my puff. To add more volume in the front, I am pulling my strands forward. I am fluffing and picking and pushing my hair towards my face because I really want the puff to sit on top of my head. All right, the bigger the better, the more volume the better. Okay, so I will go in with my pick, my fingers, separate some curls, whatever you got to do to get the volume you need, do that. All right, and the pick is key. Oh, I forgot to mention, I do go in with my edge brush to smooth my edges some. Now, when it comes to edges, it all depends on how I feel. When I do a puff, I don't need my edges to be super sleek and laid and swooped and all that. All right, I just want them smooth and looking juicy and flexible and my edges to look moisturized. That's really it, okay? So I may add a little more edge control. I may add a harder, stronger holding edge control. It just really all depends, or I'll just add some gel and call it a day, like a light, flexible gel. That works too, okay? It just depends on how I'm feeling that day. Bada boom, bada bang, all right? The puff is done, she done, all right? Like I said, I've pretty much put out a puff tutorial every single year. I have, all right? And every year it looks different, and I love a good puff. I love a good puff, okay? I love stretching out my wash days even longer just so I can get a good puff day. You understand what I'm saying? Let me know what you thought. Do you love a good puff just as much as I do? I think puffs look good on anybody, all right? Anybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. So that is the end of the video. Very quick and simple. I just decided to turn the camera on because I was doing my hair and makeup anyway. So yeah, what did you guys think? Okay, how do you guys like your puff? Do you like a puff that's up higher or lower? You know, or maybe like it just in the middle. I'm more of a high top puff type of girl. I love for my hair to look super big and full. That's what I want. That's what I need. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.